how to save contacts to SIM card. So if you want to save your contacts to your SIM card, then what you can do is first search for contacts application, and here you will have your contacts, right? Tap on that and then tap on allow, and here you will have all of your contacts. So you can simply go for the plus icon, which is on the bottom right. Tap on the plus and it will take it to your create contact option. So if you want to save someone as a contact to your SIM card, then here on the upper side you will have save to option, and under that you will have a drop down bar. Tap on the drop down bar and it will have the information in which you would like to save the contact. So if you want to save that to your SIM card, then choose your SIM card, and from here, once you choose the SIM card, you need to enter the name and the phone number of that person and tap on save, which is on the upper right. Now once you tap on save, the contact will be saved to your SIM card. So that's how you can save contacts to your SIM card and not to your email or anything. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.